Hey guys, my name's Patrick and you're watching Cooking Good Food. Tonight we're doing a fried rice. And before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more content just like this. Don't be afraid to leave a comment with some suggestions for future episodes. This is a great and easy side dish. I'll be doing a video on a real fried rice, like a Malaysian or Chinese fried rice, as this is more of a quick and simple recipe, but it's also delicious on its own, great with chicken or tofu. The ingredients will be in the description below. Cut up our veggies into very small cubes. Here I have a gold onion, carrot, and celery, but you can add more veggies and substitute. Get a wok or a Teflon pan, put it to high heat. Add a tablespoon of butter and a tiny bit of canola oil, and really get that flavor out. Start stirring those up a little bit, and leave it to sit to cook out. Next thing you want to do is grab 1 cup of basmati rice. Rinse your rice off really well. You want to add your rice to 2 cups of water, a tablespoon of butter, a tiny bit of salt, and let that come to a boil. Now coming back to your saute pan, a teaspoon of garlic, a tablespoon of butter, and 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. Then add your green scallions in and stir all of that up. Once you've added that and the pan is really hot, combine the rice into the hot pan and start stirring. Make sure you continue to stir because you don't want that rice to burn down to the pan. Then add another good tablespoon of butter, add another couple tablespoons of soy sauce, keep frying that up and stir until it combines nicely. And there you have a delicious and easy fried rice. I know you're going to love this recipe as much as I did. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for 2 new videos every week, and we'll see you guys at the next video.